Welcome to Whiteboard Wednesdays, Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, we have Isaac Patterson, and you are a smart home consultant.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, I am.
Okay, smart home consultant. Tell us about this smart doorbell system. Why are they smart? What makes them smart?
Smart doorbell systems are basically smart because they connect to the Wi-Fi, right? So they connect to your internet first.
Okay.
The second reason why they're smart is because they can see things that you cannot see. Most doorbell systems come with cameras installed as well.
Okay.
Right? Or smart doorbell systems come with cameras installed.
Okay.
And they can detect motion and they can notify you based on the motion that is detected, right? So different systems can notify you based on different things. And we're about to go over that in a second.
Okay. So what's that? I mean, what different things are we talking about? I'll just ask you that. So,
in terms of?
I mean, if somebody comes and rings the doorbell, obviously the camera will come on.
Yes.
Will it come on outside of that?
Yes, so the camera will come on based on motion detected up to a certain amount of feet. Okay. Now, depending on the camera system that you get, you can adjust the foot or square footage that you need for it to turn on based on your sensitivity levels, right? So if you have a North or South Philly home, right, you don't really have a porch that often.
Right.
So you can have it within 7 feet of the door and the end of the sidewalk. Okay. Or if you have a West Philadelphia home or something like that, you can also, when you have a porch, basically, you can have it a little bit longer than that, right? You might want to get it all the way out to the street when people are walking on the sidewalk down from your porch area. People
want that much space? I mean, only because people are walking so much. And then for your phone to notify, it's your phone, I guess, that you have it tied to. It would notify you? Is this like, is this a text message? Like, what's coming through to notify
So it's going to be a push notification, basically in the form of like how you get a Gmail message or something like that. Okay. And then you can either choose to respond to it just right there and look at it live, or look at it in post, basically meaning that the situation has already happened and you can just go back and look at it at a future time. Okay.
Because there's a lot of activity with walking, and you're like, I guess it's only more so when people leave trash outside your door. Maybe, you want to capture that activity.
That's
like,
why.
Who's leaving trash outside my door?
Yes, that's why it's always important to look at your settings of your system that you decide to buy, right? So